I don't blame you. Only until you die after to go and tell people what I do you. You don't go tell people the one way you do me. You will not tell them what you do to me that made me react. Anybody will come out first, they come, they complain, and that person find trouble. Short engine. Pistol. Now every time, only people were shot when yellow. Now only then, and they only
This money will be shared equally.
Which equally? Which kind of talk come be that one? Which one you say this money go to share equally? Una no dey there when on 180 Laura give me this money, carry and give me say this girl every time you dey there again and group. He carry the bond to give me.
Where the money safe? I never see. Who will see the money first?
Nah guy if I tell you no go like am o. This your cap wey dey tie like babalawo people. Nah guy shift o.
Yeah, Ndidi. I suppose we didn't talk o. We supposed share this money equally.
Back of pots, you dey talk. When men wey don achieve things for life dey talk, you wey just enter this group. You see, I just dey look you. This I no know you.
But you know say this money too big.
Which one you say you know say this money too big? Yeah. Which kind of come be? Why are they greedy? Human beings are very greedy. Because say they dash me money today in bundle. Now I make sure say I wan collect am, I no go collect am. This money I wan save am for this group. As we dey use leg, they waka so una like am. If we buy small pitankwa, they drive, they carry enter inside, they go where would they go na bad thing.
You go give us small first from the money.
I beg go vanish. They talk. If you go,
you don't hear them, Abi. Afam, talk to this man now. Calm down now. Why you about the hot? I go talk to them. Because say chief your babe now. You supposed to support them, Abi.
Now if not be one time, I for slap you. You are Judas Iscariot.
Come on, slap me now.
You are a betrayer. Betrayer, now be your name. You why carry on this group? You don't forget yourself. I know how long you beg me, I carry you enter this group. Now you don't call here, you call they talk anyhow. You just don't know that you dey spoil our music since. Every time they sing, see the way you love me, they sing, see the way you they go back, you don't sabi anything. I gonna keep quiet. I gonna do like say, no, make I no spoil market for you. If you make me faster, tomorrow you can come for this group.
As long as I dey here, you must give my own chair now. Don't hear them.
You know one talk. You know one talk. Now this thing where should they talk? I know one talk.
Calm down. I go talk to them, but you don't say this is a gift where they give them now. Yes.
You people are a bunch of ingrates. Ungrateful element now all of them be greedy fowls. That's not be you may put on your own and invest me pass. You when no sabi sing. Go on attire on. I na ku na ana. You say no. I bring you come group you want back. In short, which one be who? When they play, which one they go? Upon catch one. This one okay, now you go this one. Can't kill the job this one. Don't collect that. Can't fugu ni ku kwampa ma echi ima badne group ka.
Up and talk to her.
I say go calm down now. I will talk to am.
Bia say na pa fu bia na rego. Bia say na ba bia no na rego. Ishi ba fu unu ni. Unu le ko. Unu me you work it. Change your room here.
One for you don't want talk now.
Even you
just the record.
This one animal no mind them. Hey.
Sam, my guy, I tell you. You forget your son name.
But forget about this food first. Where that money now? Bring that money. I don't like this the way they do now. Bring that money.
Calm down now. Why man gonna do like say body they prepare like woman? Calm down. Now money would they talk about though?
I don't like as I carry the one money come out. Bring them now. Maybe we share them.
I bet eat this food. You know, so you know Sabi save money. Now me Sabi save money. So I don't decide to save money for us. Ah. Yes, now for the future of this our organic group. I mean, you don't want to take this your group to another level. Other people they go town. You know they see people they go town like the Ojubong. All those people they go town. They go outside. They go they play for people. You there they talk. If we don't gather money, I want to take so more uniform. We will take they go outside work. Other people will go to visit them. Other states outside there, even outside the country. They talk. All these people, money what they wait for boss every day. It good. Every day you don't know say boss money they chop half of the money what they make. But if you save money now, buy some more picanto. You know that it go help us. It may forget
okay,
say you never.
Okay, no, wait, don't tell me now. I go bring more money for you. Hey, I don't say this food go sweet. Oh, wonderful.
Pray.
Oh, my bad. I take all the blames. Father, I thank you for this food. Bless it, nourish it, so that we'll eat it and to enter our body. In Jesus' name, amen.
Why you go pray like woman? Which kind of prayer be that? Pray the same man, the Father will nourish it, whatever it, at every time that Jesus, the name of Jesus. You be woman. Pray like a man.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Thank you, Father, for this apple. Make we chop this apple so it will enter our body and enter where? In Jesus' name, amen.
Not for now.
Hey. Okay.
You like that?
Okay.
See happy.
Hey, sweet, it's sweet.
Why you do your face like that?
Now the sweetness of the food, they affect my face. Hey. But wait, why you not join me eat the food now? You don't reach to the level where beside I go to eat, you don't go join me. Go just watch me. Now I just remember. Eh? You know if you say make you join me eat. No good now.
Now say you want to take care of me if you marry me. I just say make I purposely keep quiet. Man, whether you go ask me say my join you chop food while I prepare for you. Don't say you give me money prepare the food though. I suffer prepare this food. I dare you chop and finish. Now you they ask me say one no join you.
No now. You don't bring food. As I dey eat, you wash out, you join me.
No, you don't talk like that. No, they talk like that. A caring man supposed to call a wife or a girlfriend. Say come join me. All these men now, only some of them are greediness one kill now. After now they talk say many women pepper body they prepare them. But else they not supposed to take care of woman.
And this one I don't talk to pepper body.
Yes now, because now you cause them. You don't know say women they like petting. Even if I dey hungry, I go feed bear the hunger for you. I go wait for you to tell me say me my can't chop.
Are you having mook swing? This is turning to mook swing.
You just see if I don't want to insult you. Me they not talk say I dey insult person where I love. I don't want to insult you.
Sorry,
but you see this your bad character change am.
It's okay, I will change. I will learn. I will learn to be romantic. I will learn, eh? My love, my goodness. Tomato, sweet.
Don't they touch me like woman? Why they do one like that? They touch me.
No, I'm touching you romantic way now.
If you won't touch me as a man, you come on this thing, come closer, hold me. No, they do say they touch me like saying that my fellow girl they touch me.
Right.
How from they behave now?
I will.
I don't even know if it make me fall in love with you. And of course I don't today this village now. I come be like say I don't get any hope. I just can't deal with you.
It's not like that.
Even if you say you get good mind.
I get
but only say sometimes your character they very bad.
Yeah, sorry. I will change.
Amanda.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. So what breakfast this morning?
No, ma. Auntie Sarah is supposed to prepare breakfast.
Yes, I asked her to make breakfast. Is she in the kitchen already?
No, she's not awake yet.
Wow. That is serious. You know we're not going to eat today. No problem. In that case, once you're done with what you're doing, you can quickly make breakfast. I'm hungry.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma.
Sarah, is past 11 a.m. and you're just waking up from your beauty sleep. Look at the time. Which responsible woman will leave her home unattended to and comfortably lie down to sleep? I told you and I begged you to always make us breakfast anytime you're around. Look at the time I am eating breakfast. This is no longer breakfast. This is lunch.
Enough. Enough of all this. What will the cook be doing if I'm to make breakfast? What is she paid for?
So there's nothing wrong in you making breakfast for your mother-in-law to be. Is this how you're going to take care of my son when he finally marries you? You leave him for hunger to finish him. Really?
I know you never wanted your son to get married to me. Oh yes! You've been pretending all this while. But see, let me tell you, there is nothing you or anyone can do about it. I must get married to him. Read my lips.
So you're raising lips.
And so what?
They even threaten me.
Uh-huh. Are you a witch? No, please just tell me because I don't understand. Are you a witch? Or you're behaving like one? I don't just want to believe you're a witch. Yes?
Really? This clearly shows that you were not properly raised. For you to stand and sit before me, to talk nonsense, to call me a witch. Maybe your mother told you how a witch looks like because she's a better witch.
Hey, you hold it there! Don't ever in your miserable life mention the name of my mother. You can enjoy the meal for all I care. Because I can't sit close to a witch and have breakfast. You've made me lose appetite already.
Joel, your brother's one. Maybe you didn't know she came from the gutters.
I don't like what you've done. Why would you be raising your voice at my mother like that? Why?
Babe, I didn't do anything. You just have to listen to me.
What do you mean listen to you? Your voice was everywhere.
Well, I do not like the fact that she keeps treating me like a child.
my mother will not just wake up and start treating you like a child. She will not. I think it's high time you started following her instructions.
Are you shouting at me because of your mother? Oh, you want to support her over me? Is that what you're doing, babe?
Of course I'll support her. I know you. You think acting stubborn will prove anything? It won't.
I'm going to leave your house. Yes! I will leave this house so that your mother can take charge. Including in the bedroom.
Mom, please. I want you to try as much as you can to stay away from Sarah's troubles. Please.
Did you listen to yourself saying that? You and I know that this is not a good one. I should stay away from Sarah's trouble. My supposed daughter-in-law. So she has trouble already. You know, Joel, I am supposed to be close to any woman in your life. I'm your mother. How to avoid them? So she even has trouble. What
are you trying to insinuate, Mom? What exactly?
What I'm saying is that Sarah girl, she is not fit to be your wife. Mom,
you know, I'm really tired. I mean, I'm tired. Ever since I launched a search for a wife, Sarah is like the 10th or 11th person you're rejecting. Why are you doing this?
Bring the 11th person, the 1,000 person, the 2,000 person. I will not stop until we make sure we get a good wife for you. What you need is a wife, or a toy. What you need is a human being that's turned into a wife. Obro figure 8. Obro, that's not what you need. You don't need figure 8. You don't need all these Gen Z girls. You need someone that will compliment you. Not somebody that will bring trouble into your life. See that Sarah girl? She is trouble. As well on Jack, she lacks complete home training. No respect. No human feeling, no empathy, no emotions. She lacks all of them. Stay away from her. I should be the one advising to stay away from her, not the other way around. I've got 1 million. What is 99? This the woman that will be walking. You should have seen the way she spoke to me.
Hi, baby.
Hi. What are you doing here? You left last night.
You know I can leave you, my love. Just that I was so upset. You were supporting Mama over me. You didn't wait to listen to my side of the story.
Oh, it's alright. I'm actually late for work. I guess I'll see you when I come back.
Okay, babe. So can I get you up?
Come. Alright.
Okay. You take care of yourself.
You too.
Catch you later.
Alright.
Please stay safe.
That was a wonderful performance out there.
Thank you so much.
You know, I really enjoyed the way you were shaking your body. I mean, you're so good at this thing.
Yeah, how can they do something?
No, for real. You know, I'm thinking maybe you make out time so that once in a while you come to the site and you'll be dancing for me.
We'll come, sir. We'll come. Me and my baby will come.
Baby, stop.
Okay.
What did worry you?
No, it's not a problem. I'm cool with you guys coming to.
No, now we normally
That's
they
it.
come. I don't come no the one when they run like
we'll come.
chameleon.
Okay.
No, I'm not afraid.
So I would like to make a transfer to.
No, sir, no make transfer. We get POS for junction. Get one where they do POS. If you do transfer, you go add us to transfer.
Would they have like 200,000 naira cash?
No, that means we'll go like 9 POS. No, don't worry. So, now your motor will go enter. That's no problem.
Alright.
We'll gather the money. God bless you.
You have to go back. Where you there for? Make I go now.
See the kind of money where the man give us.
I true, the money big.
Hi. Just like that.
I will not be that one that they talk about. You see, you get the kind of eye where this man they look you. You get the kind of eye, you know, where they look you. You better say the man like you. I'm telling you.
She can't talk when the man talk say like EKENE. Now EKENE ain't like no be me.
This one no be EKENE matter. The thing say this man like you. And they see the kind of big guy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah?
Drop your hand now. So I'm saying they put one. I put one for waist. You put one for waist.
I'm just saying they do the same thing now.
I'm not like package yourself now. Now my boyfriend you be. I bet collect this your belly. They go inside. They suck am in. Why your chest come food?
I suck the belly now.
Now you make your chest come rise.
What's belly?
I bet give me the money. You know they talk all this kind of small thing. You don't they toss in a man. If inferiority complex they give you problem, tell me. Why your fellow man go to make you the feel threatened like this? You know
put the money for service for us.
Now you they talk say why the man go give me money say like me. Now you see they say me they put her for service for us. For us.
See they save them now. I thought now bad. It's well. But I know what I see. But if you say no be no problem. Who am I? Go put the money for service now. Any problem?
Make I put the money for savings for us. Just can you hear yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Now man what you they feel threatened by, say give us money. Now you still there here now. They thought say man still carry the money put for savings.
I maybe go save them now.
Now man do man. She know they cash you. You see they put eye for the money. Now savings I won't put on.
What I'm saying is that maybe put the money for savings. Is there a bad thing? I don't know what they're talking about. Service for us. Any problem?
Stand away. Drop your hands.
I'm okay now. I remember I sit down under the tree, they wait for you. Go now. I don't okay, see me now. Where you were doing? So I can work at it. What are you saying?
Hey! God, I beg. So if they gather people now and say, bring your boyfriend come out, me and Didi go bring her from come out. Hi!
Baby.
What is it? Is there something you want to tell me? You've been calling me baby since I came back. What is it?
I need money to sort out some things.
How much do you need?
It's quite a loss.
How much do you need?
20 million. I want to use it for something personal.
20 million?
Yes.
We'll talk about that tomorrow.
Is that a yes?
We'll talk about it tomorrow, please. I need to rest.
Okay. Good night. I'm not giving me a good night kiss. Oh, back on. Babe. Baby. I can see you're preparing for work already.
Oh, yes, I am.
What about the money I asked you of?
I believe you need that money for business. So draft out a proposal and let me see how profitable the business is. Then I give you the money.
Babe, I should prepare a proposal because I asked my man to give me money.
You asked your man to give you 20 million naira. So draft out a proposal so I can evaluate and know how profitable this business can be. And then I give it to you, okay?
Doing this. I know you have that money. Just give it to me already.
I'll see you when I come back. Right?
Babe. What kind of a stingy rich man is this one?
Madam, so you want my son to give you 20 million naira? Maybe you think he picks this money from the gutters. He works so hard to earn his money.
I see that I can't have a private discussion with my man just because you are the mother.
Have you seen 20 million naira before? What are you going to do with it? Because you do not strike me as someone that has high business IQ.
Who cares? Like, who cares about your opinion towards me? Can you just let me be? Allow me breathe in this house.
This girl is indeed a gold digger. But my son does not know what to do with his money except to waste it on a miserable gold digger. Like a cat. I am waiting for you at a junction where we shall meet.
The other time we not try at all. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Everything was just going zigzaga. Na door. It's okay. No sign. If I give you a sign for inside, Mona didn't understand. Once I do that, you know that I don't toss Mona. Mona come up. Let's go. The other people just they perform. Just they perform. Now just they look them anyhow. If the other people they perform, if not meet two again for marriage or any ceremony, war don't start. Now go no say now go knock where we na home for black pass their own. Is that not it? Now guy, next time I tell you, next time once they spend money and they spend another again money, they smart. Me paka, we don't in anything now. Can you call the year we are? Nangara pesco mad yo. Unabna makwa o, baka ulaga na efekwa na enu. Unabna marakwa ogodo yo fuma everybody tie your wrapper away. Slap go dey fly yo. Now can me practice, more practice. Aja.
No, the good news now be say they don't call us to perform for Igwe Palace. So we need to do our best song and everything. But we need to give our best that day. I don't know if you're getting me. You're right.
Papa, you could go nothing this way.
Okay.
Now that year now, the time God said they don't give us another opportunity again. Where we go make money, still make more fame.
Plenty money.
You understand me? You people should be smart. Now Igwe Palace guy neje, where a lot of his shares and also big men need na try na get na this town. They'll be there. At least can go see here go. Let's collect money from them. You understand? Oh yeah now. We need to practice very well. Palace no darling. Oh yeah.
Baby, come dance here. Me and you forever. Baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy when you dance again. I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance, dance again. My baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy.
How you doing?
Oh, that's good in our okay.
Yeah,
Oh, Bali bad in our okay.
How are you? How you doing?
I got you. Okay, you know, okay, Pando.
Thank you.
Fine.
How you doing?
Fire. Hey, check.
You're so funny.
Thank you, sir. So when you catch for you, what did happen?
I was actually waiting for you. I was sure you were going to pass through this route.
You did it for me?
Yes, now.
Hey!
The last time I saw you.
Oh, back check.
You know, I've been thinking of a lot of things.
What did happen? Who did that? What did happen for you? Talk to me, sir. I'm with you. Is that what you want to tell my girlfriend, Caesar? I don't want you, Caesar. No breathe out. I don't speak it out. Caesar, please. No, stop. Why do you do like this? I don't think you need to talk like this. No problem. I'm adult now.
Are we quarreling?
No. We're not quarreling, but I don't want you to say. I don't want to see you with my babe again. I don't want you with my babe again. Is that a big thing to ask? Die. Put that now. What's in the worry you? I don't agree, chairman. You there they talk. You're not like chairman. See the kind of way they look you. Which I not be discussion me and they talk. So you won't correct my girl from me. Now guy pam more. You go there. Plus no verse. When they get up temper, anything say no. What's the worry you? Why you go out? Stop that rubbish. I don't like this. Please. No, make we no wash ourselves outside. Let's go. Let's go now. Leave me alone. What is the worry? Can you make you? Guy, can you make this boy? If I see you for this bed again, I go cut you. Come on, this I'm bad. You won't cut waiting. What did they worry you? I'm gonna go. Why is the bear? No vex here. You get temperamental issue. It's okay. Let's go. Oh, they hold me like that. What did they worry you? Which kind of what did happen now? Let me come on. Hold your hand here. Nonsense. So don't disobey me now. Why you do like this now? Let me come on. Don't touch my hand. No, make I hold. We need to go house. You are who they go house. We need to go home. You are who? I don't want you to go home. Who they talk to the hair? When they start this one? I don't want to hear you. Respect yourself. No follow. You see. Why the best now?
Amanda.
Ma? Good morning, ma.
Because why did you allow Sarah to cook that disaster she cooked for us yesterday? It's really boring.
Ma, you were the one that asked her to cook. That's why I allowed her.
I only asked her to make breakfast. I felt that would be much easier for her to handle.
Ma, you needed to see the confidence she came into the kitchen with. She ordered me to leave the kitchen for her.
Eh? What had to kill us first before you take over? Please go and get your pen and write the list of the things you need to cook. And cook for us in the cook.
Okay, ma. I will. I'll be right back.
Hi! That is complete disaster.
Wait. Don't tell me you rejected that contract.
I didn't reject it. I was just saying that government contracts could be tiring sometimes. The delay with payment and it takes process for everything and it's tiring.
Well, perhaps you are right, but you know this contract is not like the other ones they owe you. They are paying upfront for this one.
I've not rejected this thing outrightly. I've not. I'm still thinking about it. I'm trying to process the whole thing. We don't have a problem.
I just hope that in all your thinkings, at the end of the day, you come out with a positive answer. Because,
Of course I will. Of course.
you know you have all the necessary equipment and capabilities to handle this business. I just hope we are not late for this meeting. I think we should get going.
It's just our time. Don't worry.
Is this not Sarah?
Sarah! What? Why are you here?
Please, I can't explain. It's not what you think.
Explain what? Listen, I don't need your explanation. Alright? I saw everything that happened. So just leave my house. Get out.
Babe, please just give me one more chance. I promise I will not.
I said get the hell out of my house!
Babe,
Now!
please,
Get out!
Okay, please can I get my bags?
Your bags, right? Wait here. I'll bring your bags down for you. Wait! Wait here!
What have I done to myself into? God, what kind of a mistake is this one? Babe, please! God. You know I love you, right? Please, please, just one more chance. Babe, please. Babe, please.
Out. Please, just leave. Just leave. Out.
No, please, no, please.
Felicia, I am happier than you are. Honestly, I wonder what ladies of these days are turning into. You know how it used to be in our days. But these days, it's nothing to write home about. Thank you. And that has been my prayer all this while. Let's not keep talking about Joel. At least we have achieved something. He's getting married soonest. When are you coming over? I've missed you a great deal. You know I've missed you. Thank you so much for your time, okay? God bless you. Bye. Feli Coco.
What will I do now? Naya is going to kill me. He will kill me. What will I tell him? Hi, love.
I hope he accepted you back.
It's all your fault. He didn't accept me back. He just chased me out of his house now. I'm outside with my bags.
Listen and listen well. I don't want to see you here. Do everything you can. Whatever you know you will do for him to...
Hello? Hello? Babe? Hello? Oh God, this just happened. God, what will I do now? Where will I go to? You will never understand. I'm just confused. I don't know. I don't have anybody to call. Where will I go to, God?
I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance. Dance again.
Sorry. Hello?
No, Leave me now. What is your problem? No, they do this kind of thing. I don't like them.
I don't used to do that.
No, they follow me. Stop this thing what you do now.
Can you at least take the gift I got for you? How nice now.
I beg, respect yourself. You see these gifts where they give me. Not be say I no fit collect them. But na the mind wey they give me the gifts. You get that thing where you get for mind wey they give me gifts. Man, they see girl and I carry they give her gifts.
No, I'm just trying to be nice to you. That's all. Nothing more to it.
I beg you. I beg no vex. Sorry for buying this your Sacramento. I like her.
If you like it, I'll just give it to you.
I ask you for buy Sacramento. You just tell you say you want give. I beg you. I say me you tell me where you buy.
No, but I can give you this now.
Guys, you about onion co. No, they get yourself. Person just they ask you say where you get something. Man, not have you go buy her for there. You got the piece I want beg. Who you be? No, guys, Zeus out of here. You get out.
No. What are you saying? I should leave my girlfriend for you? For what? Are you okay? And because you're yellow? So because you're yellow, this I go leave my girlfriend for you. What are you saying? A dark skinned guy like me? What are you saying? Okay, this is not possible. Please don't tell me that I'll go with that thing again. It's not possible.
Relax. I'm only asking you to name your price so I pay you off. I just want her to myself. I'm actually asking for marriage, not for friendship.
So you think I cannot marry my girl? So this thing you are talking, you cannot work. Don't tell me about this thing again. Please, I'm begging you, please. Don't repeat it again. Please.
Bro, calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
Think about this. I'm going to give you time to
There is nothing to think about. Please, there's nothing to think about. The next time you see me and talk this, I will jam you. I will jam you like an accident car. Yes. I will jam you for life. I tell you the truth. I will jam you.
Think about what you can do with 50 million.
So you look me less. As I did, I know if you bring 50 million. Is that what I'm saying?
50 million naira. Huh? Oh, okay, 100.
I'll give you 300 million. I'll press your account. I'll give you 300 million. What are you saying? What's 300 million? I'll give you 300 million.
Wahala. So it's hard, man.
I know Sarah is out of the way. So what made you sure about this village girl?
Of course I'm sure. I mean, this girl is lively. She's innocent. For God's sake, I'm sure. I'm very sure.
Well, all this you've mentioned, they are really good qualities. But, I mean, what made you so sure?
Like I said, I'm sure. I'm very sure of this girl. All I want right now is for her to look my way. And we're good to go.
I just hope you are not about to go and fight one village champion over his girlfriend.
Oh, please. Do I look like someone who's ready to fight someone over a woman? No. I'll just make him an offer he will not say no to. Trust me, he'll come around. Yeah.
Do you know I noticed something?
What?
All these city girls, they've really shown you Shege Pro Max and you are sneaking to this village girl.
It's not a joke. Yes, they've shown me Shege Pro Max. But right now my heart is somewhere else. And I'm happy where it is. I mean, I love this girl so much. I can't get my mind off her. That's crazy.
You are really in love, but a man of your caliber falling in love with a village girl.
And what's wrong with that?
Well, if it makes you happy then, I'm happy.
Of course, it makes me so happy. I mean, I can't wait to make this girl mine. Just mine. Exactly. Okay. Evening, Mom.
This your project in the village is not done yet?
Well, the project is 99% completed. I'm just waiting for the state commissioner to come commission the project and we're good to go.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That is fair enough because this your visit to the village is becoming too frequent and I'm not liking it one bit.
Come on, Mom. You have nothing to worry about. Besides, I'm not a child anymore.
You're not a child anymore, but you're my child.
I know. I know.
Very well then, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Thank you. This will go a long way, Mom. Trust me.
I am tired. I think I should go to bed.
I thought you were in bed already.
I thought about it and I said, let me come and check and know how it's going with you.
Oh. Thank you very much, Mom. I'm fine.
Alright, good night.
Good night, Mom. I actually want the best for you. Huh? All I'm asking is for you to follow me back to the city. I'll make life better for you. I don't want you stressing yourself around all of this.
I don't tell you, I don't go talk too much. If you don't carry a fan follow body, then forget him. I found my love, you will carry a follow body. Two of us then go follow you come city.
The crazy EKENE boy?
That's our get leader now. Now my man, now my love. But guys saying they behave like woman sometimes. But now me and them dey together since childhood. He dey for me, I dey for him. And now who dey for me, I dey for. Who dey for me? Now he get rich.
You really like this guy?
I love him. Who dey like? So if you know they carry him, leave him.
My God.
You conclude on time, because now me and I go follow you go city. Because me and I don't dey save money since. We don't dey save money since we want to carry our group come city. Go for they meet the big men, they play for them, they go big occasion. All these chairmen, they move, they sing for them. Men, big men, what was sing for them? They'll give us better money. Not be all this thing. I know one can EKENE me for village. What will this all do for village? Small thing. One city. So if now you got one use, then allow use you finish.
It's not a matter of using me. I'm coming for something different from what you're saying. You're talking about your EKENE group. I'm talking about my own personal intentions. Which is having you to myself and, getting to start a family. Yeah.
Leave me make
yes, now.
No, let me tell you. You want to follow your little city guy, right? Go on and follow him. Leave me alone, please. And please.
Which kind of thing come be this? I'm like, yeah, please. I tell you, I don't need this thing. No, they do like that now. Why man go they behave like that? Now all these things I know they like. Your steez, no the steez.
So you are trying to say that I don't have steez.
You don't get steez.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Let me go.
You calm down now. Because of your fellow man, not this thing where they package yourself, then they make me tired for where you did. And come bless another man when they package yourself, come they want.
So you're trying to say that guy packaged more than me?
No, it's not about the money, not be money. The thing about now, what is your steez? You shouldn't drop your steez.
No problem. I will carry myself now. Let me carry myself and go home. Please, don't block me again. I'm telling you.
Don't do no bim. Calm down now. Stop. Nothing there. Just leave all those things where you did.
Please, I'm going home. I'm going home.
Love.
No.
My love, my blom, my bouncing ball, my ball, teddy bear, my mama, this thing where fam they do now, I no like am. Just they vex for me. Even when I dey try explain to am say nothing, he just see they vex for me. You go to calm down to listen to me because I'm not at fault. But yeah, what did I do now? Say, am I the one that told the man to like me? And they try to explain something to you, the verse. What do you hug with that man hug me, sha? Kai, don't tell me man hold me like that. Too. If I'm owner to the do, I don't know why they always do like woman. If not be say I love and die. Even I say I go to teach her from how to the package himself. No, they sabi carry himself as a man. With this one now, my confusion it come up from my head like this. When they put himself like saying na my heart desire. If no be say I love her fam, I follow. Na so person go just dey him own, dey manage his life with his boyfriend. Another man from nowhere go just come. Carry everything wey you desire for your boyfriend. Everything wey you dey pray make God put for your boyfriend life, another man go carry and come. No be distraction. I want to settle this one now. Make I follow the man. I be may I continue to manage with my boyfriend. Why I love.
What is going on? What is happening? Is it the building? Is it the project? 10 minutes. I do not understand what is going on anymore. He doesn't talk to anyone, not even me, his mother. He doesn't eat his food. He's literally not happy. Is he sick? No. Do not say the possibility because no signs of that. Is he having issues with anyone? I do not know. The question is, what is wrong with my son? But looking at him, you know there's something wrong. Then I can point my finger on him. Nothing. Joel, you're not eating your food. Your breakfast. It's still untouched. I know all is not well with you. What is it? I've been observing you of late. And I know something is definitely wrong somewhere. But you can tell me. I'm your mother. You can share it with me. What is it?
I need to run now. I have a meeting in the next 1 hour and I need to be there. I'll see you when I come back.
Joel, you can confide in me. No matter what, we're still family. I should be your best friend.
I'll see you when I come back. Bye.
All is not well with my son. Something is definitely wrong with him. And I must get to the root of this matter. Joel, why don't you let her be? Since she has someone she loves.
Mom, I have tried, but I can't. I can't. I mean, every time I try, something keeps pulling me back and pushing me towards her. I can't let her be.
Does she have a magnet in her body or something? I don't know what else to tell you. But I need to see this lady in question. I need to see her.
Mom, she's not your regular kind of girl.
But she's your regular kind of girl.
But I love her just the way she is. Yes, and I want to make her mine.
You are serious. Joel, I need to see her. I need to know her. I need to see this lady that has turned you into a shadow of yourself. I need to see her to know if she's worth it. When you come to one village girl, they shabu abu. You know they don't bath well in the village. They are amputated socially.
Mom, I just made a point right now. She's not your type of girl, but I love her. All the same, I'll be going to see her tomorrow. Maybe you tag along.
Of course, I will come and see her. I'll come with you.
Alright, Mom, I'll be upstairs.
So go and think about her, of course. No, you go and sit one corner and be thinking about her.
I just want to sleep. Good night.
Good night. One here love and maybe God.
See, if not be one thing, I dey tell you, if not because of this sweet 16 where you carry call here, say that your mama, but I never know that na truth they talk, because how this young woman go take born you? Eh? Now share respect because I don't get mama. Now make me you respect her. Now make me allow you, I give una 6 months stand for you. You know it don't cost me. I found my right hand man now, my boyfriend, the love of my life. You know they pick my call again because of you. I don't tell you if you won't carry me go city, carry me and half am. Else you pack. Okay, yo.
I'll take this your sweet 16 of a knee as a compliment. Because the way your mouth is running, it's like you're very angry.
I dey vex, mama. I dey vex sweet 16. I can't say you hot. You too hot to burn this kind of person. But it's well. You respect yourself. Because of you now. Because of you, my man they pick my call. I don't tell you, they call me again. No, you see, if you know if you carry the two of us, guy, park. What's in the shell there? Okay, yo.
This is your boyfriend. It's like you love him so much.
I love him well. Now me and they since nobody there with us. Now me and they. Since when my grandma died, and only me and I only one know when they pass through. He there for me and I there for him. I don't tell you before. Anybody wait there for me now, I there for. Who not there for me?
That is why we are here today for you.
If you want there for me, then there for fam too. Not there bad.
Take it easy. Oh, take it easy. I know you're angry, but Major. Oh. Now we are here. You don't have any need to para. Don't para. It is all for God. Just take it easy. Oh. You know, now that we are here, we need to know ourselves more. Where are your parents? Where are they? Who are your parents? Who is your mother? Where are your family members?
Here. Now Latin I don't speak for instance. I think my English I dey speak since. I say I don't get parents. Now only my grandma me and I live, but she don't pay me. She don't go meet her ancestors.
That's too bad. So sad.
Do they have pictures? I need to see that one. It's your mother, father, anyone that is around.
Grandma now I get. And mama, when did they born me, they say she. Calm down. They say she passed out as she dey born me.
She passed out.
When they like talk and they make me, I won't cry.
No cry.
My mates, they born, they are alive to carry the pikin in the boy, go die. Calling me for this kind of word, I call the suffer.
No verse. We are here today for you. Can I see your mother's picture? I know she will be as beautiful as you are.
Now only my mama picture I get. My grandma born me, when they born me now I die. But my grandma now train me. That one not the snap picture. But my mama snap picture, my grandma give my mama picture, my bring her. They come.
Is it not your love story? This girl should die.
Just relax.
This one of my mama picture, they put her under my pillow every night while I sleep. My grandma give me the picture since one small. And they put her under my pillow. Just to get her. Say I get mama.
This is your mama?
I think my grandmama tell me. It's not my mama. She quick go join spirit people. My mama mates, all of them, they go born pikin. They come back alive to train the pikin. You reach mama to mama go labor room, baby. No, I never
knew this day would come. What was her name? Do you still remember her name?
I don't remember my mama name. Yeah, my grandma, they answer the same name now. Uloma. I know today the Lord they go. That one now don't go join the pikin for spiritual world. Calling me, I call the suffer. Only me. Uloma. Uloma now they answer. My grandma they answer Uloma too. They Uloma.
Who is your father?
Now, this way they ask me, if not be say you be very mature woman, you dey very young, you be sweet 16, I for change that for you.
Hold on. Who is that? Madam, what are you doing here?
What sort of stupid question is that? Are you dumb or something?
Last I checked, you are no longer welcomed in this house. So what is the meaning of this?
It's obvious you're stupid. Doesn't mean you don't know me again. You don't know this is my man's house. What is wrong with you?
Onye with your man? I guess Seregi your man, Nana. They go draw your man for grant for you. Eh? You must be very stupid. You are no longer welcomed in this house, so carry yourself and use the door.
You know what? I don't blame you. I blame my man that picked you from the gutter to better your life. That is why you have the temerity to stand here and talk back at me.
Hey!
Let's just go in and tell him I'm here.
Amanda, you don't suffer. Bia, Nketosa, if you don't leave this place, I will make sure this your color, this your fair color, I will turn it to blue and black if you don't leave this place. Oh yeah! Get out!
Come and get out from my side.
Okay.
Leave!
I am coming by the
You
time I
stink!
return. I'm coming back.
Idiot!
Don't worry. No, don't let me go. Don't worry. Black Keta. I'm coming for you.
It's obvious nobody is at home. Let me just leave. This girl is mad already. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you.
I don't know now. That my grandmama tell me say my mama go city. Mama go city, man give am belle. As the man give my mama belle, the man get mind. He pursue my mama. I don't know anything you happen. They say my mama carry belle come back. You know who tell them who give them belle or anything. You should to be frankly speaking, I'm a bastard.
Joe. She's your sister.
Excuse me, I don't understand, Mom. What are you talking about? Are you joking or what?
She's your sister.
Now.
That means this one don't be my mama. Now you be my mama.
It's your mother.
No, my mama be this.
She was living with me as a help in the house. I don't know what happened. I don't know what transpired. She got pregnant. She and my husband, especially my husband, being scared of what I was going to do, sent her back in and gave her some money to go and terminate the pregnancy. It's not as if I was angry. When I found that and my husband tried to explain, I forgave him and we lived happily ever after until his death. I didn't send her away.
Hold on a second. Are you telling me that I've been chasing after my own sister, flesh and blood?
It was the blood. It was the blood connection that was drawing you to her. Looking at her, she's not that kind of girl. Oh. She's not your standard. She's not the kind of woman you would want. But they say blood is thicker than water.
My husband, I give my mama belly. My husband, my father me. Now I don't know we are there for how many years.
We never knew you were. She gave birth to the baby because we all thought she terminated the pregnancy.
And now, to come crown everything, he can't die, go join my mama.
Love will continue there.
You not give me opportunity. Man, see my parents where born me.
But you have me now.
They die leave me.
I'm here. You will become the daughter I never had. Going forward, I will love you like my own. Even if what I loved your mother, we never had issue while we were living together.
I know why you make it to this village. For God's sake, why would you block the road like this now? This is a federal road, for God's sake. This is a federal road. I know why you make it to this village. Okay, go enter you.
What is going on here?
Who be this yellow papa?
Yellow papa, you idiot. Look at this fool.
It's this supposed boyfriend.
So you know say I'm in boyfriend, see they come. You know say I'm in boyfriend. Guy, I go deal with you. I go deal with you.
Hey, listen. Don't play with me like that. Don't make me get mad at you.
So you did not see any boyfriend in this community. Is this fat fool?
Listen, it's more comfortable. Stop that nonsense.
Can you calm down?
And you're still doing that. Don't get me mad. The you're fighting for is actually my sister. Will you stop that nonsense?
Hey, Ekene, what is the air for?
You're still scratching your petty knife on the floor.
A stupid machete. Do you know if he has a gun?
It's your sister. Guy, talk truth. Don't be say won't use my brain. Tell me the truth. Is it your sister? Your blood?
Our blood, my sister. Any other blood. Listen, is that how we want to?
It's okay. One love. I close my eyes.
You close. Open it.
If I find out say you chop me, you don't go end well. Make I believe it.
Only Jim when they win. You can shoot you. Don't know.
Mama, it's okay. Because of this way I talk. Let it be true. Don't give me 419. I'll go there now. I'm going there right now to check it. One love.
Mayo, what is wrong with you? Why are you treating me like this? What have I done to deserve this?
It is funny when you say things like this. See, 1 million, a single million out of 20 million, couldn't even bring home. And here you are mentioning love.
You know it was not my fault. I was about getting the money before you spoiled everything.
No, if it is not your fault, it's mine. See, I've taken enough of it. I've invested a lot in you. And here you are, claiming to be active. Get your stuff and leave my house.
I am supposed to be your girlfriend. I am supposed to be your love, please.
Take that. Can you listen to yourself? You're supposed to be my girlfriend. And yet, you're just beauty without brain. Upon all the investments I have made in you, the money I put in you, and this is all you can give me.
Wait, you can do this to me.
Please.
You know you're the only one I have. I don't have anywhere to go.
Don't make me push you, because if you try that, I'm going to.
Please don't do this to me, please.
Get out of here! Take your bags. Get this. I got this with my money. Pick this up. Shedding your tears. Please be fast with that.
I don't have anywhere to go.
Get out! Can you imagine? I put in a lot of money in you and here you are. Useless girl. I think it's high time I choose the ugly ones. Maybe they can get one.
My love! My Ekene! Ekene Chukwu! Hey! What did happen? Eh? They said yellow brother na your blood. One nigga work yellow brother. How? How does it happen?
My blood brother.
Hey! Who's the one?
You know, see my papa get money and no, say I be rich man picking. Now they suffer since for village. My papa get money.
Papa get money?
Now rich man before he die.
Hey.
And now the one where they pay me pass, you know say I exist. I just be wasting spermatozoa. He always me throw away, keep me for village.
Sorry.
Now I die. He no keep any inheritance for me.
That's what we say, Papa that the share. You don't know them.
You know them.
Hey! Oh, sorry. Oh, I understand. No worry, they go edit it. They will edit it. Your name must be there. Hey! So the boy with golden spoon, now the spoon come break.
Huh?
The boy with golden spoon.
No be spoon. Like golden spoon.
Okay, golden spoon. But the most important thing is say your papa get money.
They pay me.
Sorry.
The thing they pay me because my papa no keep anything for me. No write my name.
Oh, I understand. It's okay. They will edit it. I foresee. Yeah? Because in yellow. Two of them are yellow together. Hey. It's okay.
She said she cannot leave the village without her boyfriend. My opinion, she can come here with him.
Yes, that's exactly what I intend to do. To bring them down here together.
So how do you feel now that the person you've been aching for, clamoring for is somebody you have seen and known? How do you feel?
I'm fine. It's not like I was sexually attracted to her. I just want to help her, that's all. Make sure she's fine.
Now I thought it was you wanted to help her. You couldn't sleep. Wanted to help her. Let me go and sit down. You'll be thinking about her. Wanted to help her. So all this thing you'll be running around is for charity. It's for nothing. You're not sexually attracted to her. How are you attracted to her? Help attracted to her.
No, I just want to help her. Okay? I want to make sure she's fine. She's well taken care of.
Oh, Maka. It's a good one. It's good to do charity. Even though we do not know the intentions most of the time. Man, the proverb says, only for okoko na abon si achupa ya. Maka na mo onye ga top ya. No, when you see a chicken trying to scatter shit with the legs, chase it away. I buy it to this house and you be the one to eat the legs. Up and see ama. So it's good. Think of this ones you eat. Do you know what they bola? Mokas cadaver. Haboro. Emma. Chicken is chicken. Thank God for the help.
I can't believe that village girl is our relative. Are you serious? You mean to tell me she is our blood?
Yes. I just found out. She is.
Well, in that case, let's bring her home. Try to get to know her.
That's exactly what I intend to do. I intend to bring her closer, and also help her out. I'm going to make sure she enjoys the rest of her life. I just imagine what she's been through.
Yeah, I can imagine what she's been through. Trust you on that. Trust you.
It's fine. I'll take good care of her. I know that. I will set her up properly.
In that case, well, I'm in support of that.
What are you doing?
Good evening, sir. I'm studying for my upcoming exams.
Really? Exams? How?
I've been running a part-time program recently.
Oh, I see. Then you should get a break, I think.
I've already told madam about it. She gave me 2 weeks break.
Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, that's actually good to know. Please get me water.
Okay, sir.
I called this meeting because I made up my mind to take you two to the city with me. because she refused she wouldn't follow me if I don't take you along.
Yes, so, and my love, my again, two of us, we get together till eternity. We are one. Yes.
It's alright, so you have to start preparing because first thing tomorrow morning we're all going back to the city together.
You mean you say we did talk?
Yes, I mean everything I just said. We're going back to the city first thing tomorrow morning. Okay?
City, here we come. Tomorrow morning, early pie.
And about your EKENE career, I made up my mind to sponsor you on that. Yes, to make sure you get to the highest level.
Hey! Agabagom.
It's going to be fine. I promise you.
Thank you.
Okay?
You mean all these things you do?
Of course, I mean them. You're my sister. What else am I supposed to say? I mean everything I just said.
Yama, can you go?
Baba, I say make I beg you. You know, so all these things are threatening you. I don't really mean no more. But you see, when you love something, you have to protect the person where you love. I really love her so much.
I know you cannot do anything no matter what.
Hey, City here will come tomorrow morning.
Of course.
Why the city comes with you pass me? No, they calm down. They tell you to package yourself as a man.
Okay. You see, the whole people who will start this music, this organic music, so many of them don't die. Right. But we now wait day here. Our God, still keep us alive. It's a thing of joy.
No be lie.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie you.
I'm so happy.
I want to ask you. Since last time, that last year where we go, since then we never go share again. What did that happen?
Not true. But we know say the thing we say show never come. Because if you show don't come, I go alert to na will not be my guy.
But maybe let's go to a public place or as usual, maybe in the market. We go make our own money there.
Not true, but you know what will happen now? What will happen now? We say the brother won't take me and to city.
Did you get brother?
No, that's what we say. I don't forget our own story. But remember that we say, if I go that city, I don't go forget you guys now. You're my guy now, my G.
Guy, you don't chop for you. You don't chop for you. I don't say you don't feel forget us for them.
You know they're possible. Me? Are you? What are you saying? Forget you for what?
You there your bar.
No, I don't forget that now. See what's gonna happen now, eh? May we go for Mama Nketi place, take 1 or 2 plates.
Food don't show. You know say if you go do, I'm not be say, not be today where it start now.
Timo need man, ade alogoka. Timo need man, ihi kulugeme. Timo need man, Timo need
so get it.
Oh. Yes. You're welcome to my humble abode.
Anything you do, we go do them together. Anywhere we go them together. Me self go to give you love.
You fuck up big time.
What did I do?
Why not tell me say this kind of mansion now I get now? From outside we don't see mansion they come there. For tell us, for carry up to 10 or get the men enter here now. Different or get a group like 10.
They're everywhere now. What is happening?
Well, it's fine. I understand you want to celebrate this. But trust me, there'll be time for that. We'll just invite them over and then have good fun. Okay? I promise you.
Hey!
Don't worry, we'll have a
My love, we don't alive, bro. What do they call that one?
chandelier.
My lights.
That's what it's called.
Makban.
Hey, Chanda.
Yes, chandelier.
Yeah.
Oku Nere. See block. Now what block for up?
They can't divide the block.
Hey.
Yeah.
They're here.
Mom, yes.
Hey, sweet 16. Baby Nayoka. What a manaria. Hey, Oku Nere.
Welcome. How are you? How was the trip? Welcome.
Thank you.
Back to your house.
Mommy, I'm happy to be here for your house.
No, it's your house.
Yes, both of us house. I want to make a fresh like you.
No, you fresh more than me.
Amen.
Take them to their rooms.
Exactly, Mom.
Leave them there fast.
All right, so let's go upstairs, yeah?
Respect yourself. We go to room.
This way, please. Let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. So, this is your handbag.
My handbag.
Hey!
I like to see you moving, stepping, jumping, moving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance, dance away.
We supposed to move on together and go.
Don't mind. Hey, sweet 16. Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning. What do you feel?
Yeah.
Good morning.
We slept. Well, good time now.
Now, what is this?
What of wash your hand?
Go there and wash hand. Go there and wash hand. I might want to serve you. This is your boyfriend. Don't talk to him. I dey talk to him. Tell him to have respect for me now. I don't understand. Say me you dey give am respect. Sit down. Respect now. Give am respect. You see me they give am respect.
Later we go talk about respect. Now we focus on the food.
Sweet 16. I mean, what be this one wanna give us more job?
Breakfast now.
Break wetin?
Fast.
We know they break anything for you. We know they do fasting, can't they break am?
Wetin dey break?
I just tired. All this kind thing they make person they quick get hot temper. Trump, just see the kind thing they give us. Since we come here, only made they give us with tea. Where this one can't be 2 styles of bread. Where this one won't reach anybody. No, not get better food. Swallow for
For breakfast. Solid food for breakfast.
No, actually.
If it's something solid now to start the day now.
We are saying the same thing.
Yeah.
If you eat apple for breakfast, what will you eat as lunch?
You still eat apple again?
Yes. You repeat it. Mama, would they able to finish 4 loaves of bread? Me and
What
this
of bread? We'll finish 4
we'll chop 4 loaves.
No wonder.
You mean you eat apple in the morning, apple in the afternoon?
Apple in the night, 3 times a day.
No wonder this bomb is as big as this. And this one, look at his flat chest.
Now, of course, just the swarm for here.
Look at this house. Is it village house or mansion?
Mama, it's not all about village house or mansion. No be him. Now about solidity of the immune system.
Immune system of
solidity.
You build your immune system with solid. it ginger you to work for the day. And they are happy you drinking the thing.
Because they're not used to the thing. Don't worry. Don't be believe on my new thing I will do. We'll go as I go far away, we'll buy food chop.
What do person they use to like bread do? Now all this bread, if you can't happy with taba. Mama will not try, not try.
We don't need that. Thank you. We will chop, more than chop. We are sorry. We are not in contact for
God bless. God bless. We appreciate it.
Stop allowing this boy to deceive you. This boy is a local boy. Now, he is falling babe now. This boy should go to the village. Everyone, Ojaka, Aswapo. You should go there. You stay in the city.
Mommy. We're in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Big trouble.
How? I'm equal to them. Me, I'm a sport on my own. Just like that one sitting here, he doesn't have sense and does not sleep well. I'll make sure I put pepper in his eye because he doesn't have one single respect. Just following my girl, doing mobi, doesn't have one sense in his head. You're afraid of them? You have me. Except if you're controlled by that stupid love. She's a sister, but I live love.
Mom, are you sure this is safe for you to eat?
It is very, very healthy. You know, what your sister needs is someone to teach her how to use modern gadgets. How come Mom you see? She cooks well. What is wrong with this one?
Why did she get the ingredients for this thing?
We have it in the kitchen. We have everything. Because at the firewood, she had to go down the street to make someone fry in my car. So I asked her for firewood.
Seriously,
You're getting this mountain to consume. Where is your own food? You're not eating.
You will download my belly. If you're tasting a sisaku, I eat.
After eating this pyramid, how will you breathe? Will you be able to sleep?
No, I can breathe.
I'm sure say you dey breathe. You know say you know they see where you how will you move up and down.
I'm good, Mobby. I'm feeling good. I'm not saying it.
Like a pig?
Ma?
I don't understand. This boy is so dirty. Why do you like this boy? See, obviously, what is this? Live their life or dead? Food can kill.
Ma, this thing cannot kill me. Since I entered this compound, I never eat any food. So when I walk in with breakfast, what am I breaking? This is the deep breaking. I'm breaking the fufu down. You know, see the step? Break it down. Yes. I'm breaking it down.
Finish. Breaking 5 wraps of apple down.
Yeah, how many? 2, 4, 6.
6. You know, 6 wraps.
Look at what he's eating. Look at how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's what he's swallowing. Hey! Talk to him now.
Small. I think if you come to room, behave like Romans. Yes.
Look at the way he's swallowing.
Small. Package yourself.
My heart is dancing to the rhythm of your love, sweet like EKENE. I can.
Let me show you the kitchen. This is the microwave. When you want to eat your food, bring it out from the freezer. That is the freezer. Here. This is where you store your food. You bring it, put it in a bowl. Your breakable plate. Place it here. On it. Your food will become hot. I just said the piece is here. You press here, see it. It will open. You do this, you on. It's not on, there's no food inside. When you want to eat in the kitchen, this is where you can sit. It's your table. Come this way.
You're the one, you said that one a fridge. I won't see it.
What do you want to see inside the fridge? Let's open this.
Hey! How can I say a fridge? Because you do open only down.
This one is the freezer where you store your food. See, this is gas. This is where
I know we put it down. And I wanted to open it.
Come and stand here. Do you know why I'm emphatic about this side?
Because no explosion.
Go. Hey! Who told you this in the video? Told you well.
I know.
Please ensure you're owning the right one. Are you cooking anything? But you just told me it's explosion. Oh. Anyone you want to? You just where are you looking again?
Anyone want to do you? They could say man no do. Let me come on my face.
Come. No, sorry. Jesus Christ. Ndidi.
Ma.
It's only when you're cooking that you on. If you turn it like this now, there is every possibility that the gas will be leaking. And once you come to on the fire, because the gas is already in the air, so that's fire. You know, yet you're doing what you want to do. But you're not getting anything.
Sure say firewood will not be the
way. This is city. Maybe you raised you with firewood. Here we like to make life easy. See how the pots are clean. It's being cooked every day. See how clean, sparkling. The only thing you can see here is small smoke. The black firewood, if it were the firewood, by now this place is already filled with charcoal, covered with charcoal, painted in charcoal.
If you ask me, for your safety, firewood is the way.
Okay, you're not the one cooking in the kitchen. Whose safety?
For your safety.
For your safety. I've seen everywhere. This is your house.
Hey,
it's serene and comfortable. Anything you want, I'll give you. Just feel comfortable, feel relaxed. You see this car? Anywhere you want to go, the driver is available to take you. This is all yours.
Hey! The whole bag. Onike. God, hey! Really need to do Woski.
What Woski? You like it?
My guy, everything is good, fine. Everywhere is fine, top notch. Hey!
Up here?
Jesus! 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 You back in food? I'll take anything. To do. Poverty, you're a bastard.
Bye bye to it.
Mama, thank you. Hey, wow. Like this. By the time we dress up with all this dress, we carry and enter, show ourselves. We don't arrive now. Not be all those blender select all the way for village. Oh yeah, wow. Hello!
I dey tell you, clothes dey here. What you go do now? Make not go wear am now.
You calm down, guy. You see they support you now.
No, they wear them now.
What they do like that now? Package yourself.
Alright.
What they do you? Because you come big man house, you come behave like say you no forget steals. Guy, you will fed day well for village. Forget say we come here, come like say we come they forget us. We they make money for village, not be say we poor. Tomorrow when we come back, wash body or come out, we'll wear them.
I won't know, make they know say I don't enter. Make the city know say the city boy is here.
Stop now. I'm they like this. They tell me they package yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, say I like you. Don't they package yourself. I'm a pass you do.
I take all the blame.
You know, because they see, because you see mansion now. You can't deny your days of humble beginning. Tomorrow.
Hey.
Your own. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's your own.
Okay.
You know, say me and you they wear the same polo. I don't want to hear now say you can't carry your own. Go they wear my own.
What is that? Don't you try to talk? So I don't know my polo again. What are you trying to say? Just pack it. See if I go.
No, hey, don't they do that kind of thing? Orange is for women. Why you can't they talk and touch and like say you like the color?
No, if I wear orange now, it go then be good for body. I don't know what I it go find me, give me body fit. I don't know if I understand me.
So you give you it.
Body fit in chapel. What can I do, Ocha?
Why you be talk like this?
Oh, my bad.
So what's your plan?
I intend to record Nnamdi one of those days when he's performing. I want to send it to a friend who owns a record label that handles traditional music. I'm sure he's going to like it and maybe get to sign it.
Wow. That's a good one. Wonderful one. What about your sister?
I see she likes to cook. So I'm thinking of sending her to culinary school and we'll talk about other things afterwards.
That's amazing. Great plans you have for them.
Of course.
It is said, if you cannot beat them, you join them. Love did not work. Let family and sister work.
I'm going to make sure they excel. Trust me, Mom. I will.
Hey! What you didn't get in love, you get in family.
Mom.
Yes, darling.
Big bro. Well done.
Well done, sir.
Working that side well now. Belly na water.
And why are you wearing a shirt tucked in? On jean?
It's fashionable.
No. This is bullshit. This is absolute nonsense.
It be absolute nonsense. Now, what we wanna buy for us now we use.
With the style of
Because
then knock the attire now. The locker.
What is going on here?
Locking attire. Locking.
we are rocking this style.
Yes.
The fashion.
Oh, Panka, Belena water.
I'm telling you, mommy.
This is still evidence of good living.
Ha! Low budget Cubana chief priest. Ha!
I was in blue.
Sweet elder. Sweet. Lenian. Did you look at hey! Oh, PK.
316, stop now.
What am I stopping? What are you? Your own is worse. This cap you're wearing back and forth him by the side. In Igbo tradition, this cap you see, the way you're wearing it has meaning. This one you're wearing, I don't even know the meaning. This one, is he going for a burial? Where are you going with your own?
Fashion, fashion.
I don't understand. What is the fashion for?
Dress to kill.
Who are you killing with sweater and you're sweating? You can dress like this during winter in America, abroad. Not here. Are you not sweating?
I sweat true.
Yet you're wearing it.
Now I tell you the truth. Heat won't kill you.
What do you fit now?
God, I beg you. I'm not fully eating the tree.
Give them a big gun and muscle here.
Jehovah will remove. I'm not remove.
Jehovah.
Did I ask you to remove? Ah! Belena water! Please come, let's go to the market.
Mama, no, I beg you. No, say person need to relax. Before I go down this way. Heat won't kill me.
But you're dressed to kill. Come and keep people in the market.
No,
you're even wearing canvas.
The dress to kill, God bless and myself.
They won't kill.
Just all these your excuses to stay with our family. So that you'll be throwing this big stomach on you.
Oh, God forbid. I want to stay with our family. I want to follow you. Now I'm there inside AC. Only say your wait, make I fair pull this machine. I'm not going to get myself now.
Baby?
Eh?
Will they come?
They come.
Okay.
When you mind that today they call me baby.
The baby. Oh, baby, get one full gun. Get my boy and no more girl. Are you sweet elder? Don't sleep there. Belena water. Oh, okay, better give your Doriana Mao. Nene, look at the shirts you bought for him, t-shirt you bought for him that is supposed to flow freely has become body hug. When you finish pyramid of apple, what were you expecting? Check him, he's sleeping. Belena water!
My heart is dancing to the rhythm of your
Hey!
Sweet like
I can
never get enough. When you dance again, it is sweet in my body. It is tickle the beat of the rhythm. So baby, come dance here, me and you forever. Baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy when you dance again. I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance again. My baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me.
What is going on here? Why is within the masquerade? What are they doing here?
These people, I just called them to say thank you for everything I've done for me. Yes. I don't know how to appreciate you. I just called this special musician to appreciate you.
Within the masquerade. You're Abama. Abama. What have we done for you? What we did for you are the things we are supposed to do for you. You're like a son to me. My son is not at home. He would have come to appreciate you people. You shouldn't have stressed yourself bringing all these people. Where you go? You spend money for all this.
Abumoye nuwa, oye kambu nuwa, abumoye, Chineke na chere meti choma.
It's alright. Wait 1 minute. I'm coming. It's what you know not supposed to cry. Who says it was being big? Oh, like that. Dago! Something strange happened today. These people invaded this house to gain the people. I was just inside the kitchen trying to off what Amanda put on fire. Before I started hearing of getting blasting. I'm getting outside, I saw that man.
Are you serious?
You know that one I used to be hit
like a woman, yeah?
I was so scared. Lo and behold, it was our farm and entity that brought to the people to appreciate us for all the things we've been doing for them. But I said they can come on their own without encumbering themselves with this before getting an Adama. That one, you should have seen. No more now. But all my life, this is actually the first time I was in an environment where that Adama was. I swear.
It's crazy.
You made something, no?
Are you serious?
Honestly, it's because I had to come inside and take money to spray them. Yeah. They came to say thank you. I ended up spending.
I wish I was there though.
I swear.
I wish I was there.
Would have been fun. It's open. Joel, you're not going to the gym again?
No, funny enough, Mom, I have a presentation to get ready for, so I'm looking into it.
But it's weekend already.
Oh, come on, Mom. There's no weekend for a top business executive like me.
You see? That is why I have not been able to find yourself a wife, a good wife.
Mom, this is not fair. I mean, why would you throw it to my face like that?
No, how else do you want me to say it? Huh? How else do you want me to say it? You need to start your own family. Time is running out.
Mom, I don't have strength to start searching for a wife. I don't have that strength, please. Let me just focus on business.
Yes, buddy, that is basically why I came to see you. I've been meaning to tell you. Yes. Someone I am planning. I don't know how you're going to take it.
I don't understand, Mom. Don't tell me you found a wife for me.
What do you think about Amanda?
Amanda? You mean same Amanda?
Yes, same Amanda.
Oh, come on, Mom, please. Amanda is a house help. She's our house help. Why would you even think about her?
She's a human being. A house help that is smart, intelligent, hardworking. She has done well for herself. I just wanted to discuss it with you so that you can give me the go-ahead to talk to her. Because I don't know what you're looking for. You may not know the things you're looking for all over Lagos might be here under your roof. I don't know what else you're looking for in a woman.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. Ma, I missed you. I missed everything about this house.
I know. So how's your exams?
It was fine, Ma.
Go and rest, please.
Hey, sweet 16. Good afternoon. I think it's a chop now.
Oh, I would love you to make plantain flour for me.
That mede. That's made like, I don't know, some paper, you have like this potato or something.
That is what I want. I thought you knew how to make it.
I sabi now, but I know, you know they enjoy. You follow the eat fufu. Maybe for the get weight and balance. You're too soft. You need to eat fufu, make you get steez.
Make what I asked you to make for me. Fufu it's too hard for me.
No, now. Sweet 16, you're too hot now. You're supposed to chop something, chop out with us, fufu. Make you get weight.
Am I not gallant enough?
You're not gallant enough.
When I'm sweet 16, I am not gallant. Apple is too heavy for me. Maybe you can do that because you are doing organic back there. They're not alone.
Nothing, no one. Anything you want, man, I'll make for you. I will be the mother of the house. Sweet 16! Sweet 16! Too much!
It is a full vibe.
Ma, you didn't tell me you employed another chef.
No, she's not a chef. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you much later. I'll gist you everything. Meanwhile, go upstairs, freshen up, and come out gist you. You don't like her?
I don't understand her.
Don't worry about it. Just go and take a rest. Freshen up.
Okay, Ma. Hi. Good morning. I'm Amanda. I'm the chef in this house and the housekeeper.
Don't be here I see you with my sweet sister. I see you now. Will I say they employ you new?
No, I'm not new. I only traveled for my exams.
Okay, welcome. Hope say you pass.
Of course, I did.
Because you be like those guests where they fly first for school. This is how you love probably stick from out. Accept. I beg, can't even do all this thing. No, you help me wash that plate. Yeah? Make I focus on trying to cook this food for me. That's what.
You didn't tell me your name.
No, did you?
Okay. I'll help you.
Eh? You say you go do it.
I will help you.
Help me. Not the way they pay you for this as a con they do. They say you go help me. Don't try am. Maybe you no fall out. Well, I just they see you like better person, sha. You must see they wash your character. And your character to 9 go 10. Don't worry, wash am for me, bring am come. You dey here, they teach you, go there behind me. Anything where they put you, they arrange am for me. If you wash and finish, you come slice this tomato. I accept you be. Come, let me make use of you.
Ma, Ndidi is not allowing me to do my job in this house. Before I woke up, she has already cleaned the house. Now she's cooking.
I don't know why you're bothering yourself so much. If she's not allowing you to do your work, fine. It's an opportunity for you to rest and rest like a queen. I've told you who she is.
You did, Ma.
I would love to come sit. I'd love to discuss something with you. I want to matchmake you and my son.
What?
Yes. I see you as a good woman. I see you as someone that will keep a home and make it good. And I've been nursing this idea for quite some time now.
Why me? Who am I? I'm not even in his class.
I know all that. Personally, I like you. I'm choosing you for my son.
What will Sir Joel say about this?
He's aware. I've been taking our time to convince him. He will learn to love even if he does not love you now. He will learn to be with you. He will learn to marry you well. And I'll be delighted if your answer will be yes. Because he has been afraid of what you will say about it. So the ball is in your court. I want you to think about it. And I want you to be positive. I see nothing bad in it.
I don't know, I'm just, I don't know why I find it so difficult right now. I'm telling you.
the only reason I can say I find it difficult is because you are a man of a great discipline and policy. Had it been you have done one or two without now, it would have been easy for you.
You're crazy. you're very crazy, man.
But I'm serious. I mean, she's also an ambitious girl. It's only an ambitious woman that will come here, work as a house help to see herself through school. What do you think about that?
I think you have a point there. You actually have a point there. You're right.
The only thing left now is for you to just check if both of you are compatible in all the compatible ways.
You're very crazy, yeah? You're a very crazy boy. You will never change this way. Compatibility,
Anything you do, we go do them together. Anywhere we go them together. Me self go to give you love every day. I will never let you go. No way. We go to dance our love like Ogene. We go put your hand in mine. Don't worry, my baby.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you sleeping here?
I tried to wake him up, but he refused.
Where's my sister?
She's in her room.
It's alright, just let him be until he's up. I guess he's tired.
Okay, sir. Sir, should I serve your food?
No, don't worry about it. I'll just let him rest. When he's fine, he can go upstairs himself.
Okay. Okay, sir.
What about my mother?
She's sleeping as well.
Yes, come in. Hey.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, please sit.
Okay, sir.
So I'm sure my mother briefed you. Yeah?
Yes.
So what do you have to say about that?
I'd rather you pop the question yourself, then I'll give you a reply.
I like that. In that case, maybe we'll go out for a proper date so we can get to talk and, get to know each other better. Okay? How about that?
Okay, that'll be fine.
Good. I will have my mom arrange some nice dinner clothes for you. Okay, so you don't have to wear this. Alright?
Thank you.
That's all for now. Don't be shy. This is going to be difficult, but
You have to stop wearing this in front of me. This is dress I picked out for you. This is what you need to wear. You're going to get to consent. Wow. I know it's beautiful. I picked it from the best. Luxury or nothing.
Thank you very much. This is lovely.
I know. Enjoy the date with my son and have fun.
Thank you.
Bye. I can't wait to see them together officially. At least, wife hunting is done and dusted.
Oye na-eme ka nsi me. Hey! Oye na-eme ka nsi me. Oye na-eme ka nsi me. Ya ka m ga-akpọ onyimo.
Abeg, stop. But who can Kigeji weru aba? Now this like you want to reach where they sing the song.
By the time this song now go come out, this my inspiration go come out. Not be this way they talk now go to talk.
How your song want a blow with this kind of voice? You dey see men wey get voice? Abeg stop, I know they like some things wey you dey do sometimes. You think they vex me.
Are you trying to say that this my voice is not voicing?
But if this you are voiceless. You better say you don't hide this your voice. When they tell you truth, not be everybody go enter music industry. Man, tell you now, again they help you. If not, yes, now if not be again, you say this thing you dey hear yourself now. Again, and they back you up. As again, no they now see your voice.
So you're saying that I'm singing rubbish?
You dey sing rubbish. Now rubbish you dey sing.
Listen to this thing. Oye ne me kanse me o. Oye ne me kanse me. Oye ne me kanse me o. Ya kanga boy, back me up now. Let me hear your backup.
And in my skirt and blast, may you turn to Chama Jesus.
Wow. Wow. Look at that. You are so beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I never knew you were this beautiful.
You're probably shocked because you've been seeing me with one outfit.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Wow. Mom. Yes. She's so beautiful. Shall we?
Yeah.
We'll see you later, Mom.
Wow. You must find a way to get to a man's heart. And I just did get to my son's heart. Beautiful feeling. I'll see you when they come back. Oh!
Anything you do, we go do them together. Anywhere we go them together.
My people. Glory! I know someone I go to say I don't forget to know. But no, how would I forget you people? Am I okay? Am I mad? I don't say you don't forget us now. Wow.
No, that I will not forget us.
You. I don't forget. I don't forget you. Next time I forget you go please.
No, this is our job. If you forget us at this time.
We get together. The team beside they hear the hustle. I did that side the hustle. But the main cocoa now is that is good news. Hey. The Lord have done it.
Just me.
That is good news. Let me just I go chant again. I can't go even sube. I can't guys nice small. My in-law have accepted to take me to a record label that we sign this our music because the person is in love with culture. Wow. And he want to sign us.
Wonderful.
Open man.
I think Omewoya, Jehovah Jireh Mewoya, Mewoya, Omewoya Ogeya, Omewoya, Jehovah Jireh Mewoya, Mewoya, Omewoya Ogeya, Ogeya Kama, Omewoya, Jehovah Jireh Mewoya. My heart
baby, come dance here. Me and you forever. My baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy when you dance again. I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance again. My baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy when you dance again. I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance again. Anything you do, we go do 'em together. Anywhere we go 'em together. Me self go to give you love every day. I will never let you go. No way. We go to dance our love like Ogene. We go put your hand in mine. Don't worry, my baby, you make me color. Waiting you do me, I never know. You know you drive me crazy when you dance again. I like to see your body moving, stepping, jumping, grooving. There's no stopping. Come make we dance again. My baby.